Good morning, dear students. I'm Dr. Alice MATHAI, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Economics, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Today we are going to see the topic national income and what are the problems faced, or we are going to see why the national income is growing very slow in India. First, we will see the meaning of national income. National income is referred to as the total monetary value of all goods and services that are produced by a nation during a financial year. Financial year we mean April to March. National income is different from national welfare. National income measures the income during a period, that is a year, and national wealth assumes the total stock at a point of time. So this is the difference between national income and national welfare. Next, we will see the definition of national income. According to the National Income Committee 1951, a national income estimate measures the volume of commodities and services turned out during a given period, counted without duplication. So here what the definition is explaining. It tells national income is the total value of goods and services produced during a given period without duplication. So we will take only the commodities at one stage, not two stages. According to Marshall, the labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds. This is the true net national income or revenue of the country or national dividend. Next we'll see what are the causes for slow growth of national income in India. Now the first reason for slow growth of national income in India is high growth rate of population. So what is the relationship between population and slow growth of national income? This rate of growth of population is the important determinant of economic growth. It's also responsible for slow growth of national income in India. So what is happening? Whatever increase in national income has been taken place, all these are eaten away by the growing population. The high rate of growth of population in India is retarding the growth process and is responsible for the slow growth of national income in India. So the first reason is high growth rate of population. Next reason is excessive dependence on agriculture. So Indian economy is characterized by too much dependence on agriculture. The people are depending on agriculture. Our industries are all agro-based industries. So that is why too much dependence on agriculture. The major share of national income is usually coming from agriculture. Such excessive dependence on agriculture prevents quick rise in the level of national income as the low land-man ratio, inferior soil, poor ratio of capital equipment, problem of land holding and tenancy rights, etc. are responsible for slow growth of agricultural productivity, which in turn is also responsible for slow growth of national income. Next point, occupation structure. The occupation structure is also responsible for slow growth of national income in the country. Majority of the working force in India is engaged in agriculture and allied activities. Moreover, prevalence of high degree of underemployment among the agricultural laborers and also among the workforce engaged in other sectors is also responsible for the slow growth of national income. Next, low level of technology and its poor adoption. In India, low level of technology is also mostly responsible for its slow growth of national income. Moreover, whatever technology that has been developed in the country is not properly utilized in its production processes, leading to slow growth of national income in the country. The next point is poor industrial development. Another important reason behind the slow growth of national income in India is the poor rate of development of its industrial sector. The industrial sector in India has failed to maintain a consistent and sustainable growth rate during the planned development period and more particularly in recent years. Moreover, the development of basic industry is also lacking in the country. All these have resulted a poor growth in the national income of the country. The next point is poor development of infrastructural facilities. In India, the infrastructural facilities like transport, communication, power, irrigation, etc., have not been developed satisfactorily as per its requirement throughout the country. This has been resulting major hurdles in the path of development of agriculture and the industrial sector of the country, leading to poor growth of national income. Next reason is poor rate of saving and investment. The rate of saving and investment in India is also quite poor as compared to that of developed countries of the world. Why this is poor? Because most of the people are depending on agriculture. The income is very low, and many people are unemployed also. So their income is very low. So what happens is their saving is very low. Since the saving is low, the investment also there is very low. So this is what is happening. This is why low rate of saving and investment has resulted in the poor growth of national income in the country. Socio-political conditions. This refers to the society and the political conditions prevailing in the country. This socio-political conditions is also not very much conducive towards rapid development. Peculiar social institutions like caste system, joint family system, fatalism, illiteracy, unstable political scenario, etc. are all responsible for slow growth of national income in India. So we conclude that though conditions are many conditions are responsible for the slow growth of national income, the government has taken various steps to attain higher rate of growth in its national income by introducing various measures of economic reforms and structural measures. All these measures have started to create some impact on raising the growth of national income of the country. So with this we conclude. Thank you.